How to make Christmas paper decorations. Easy and fast. You will need rectangular paper, a simple pencil, scissors, and your hands. Place the paper so the long side is closer to you. Hold the bottom edge of the paper. Lift it up to meet the top edge of the paper. Make sure the edges match. Press down the fold with your fingers. Open the paper. Take some scissors. Cut along the fold line. Now you have two pieces. Take one piece. Fold it in half by bringing one short edge to the other short edge. Press the fold with your fingers. Fold it in half one more time, just like before. Press the new fold with your fingers. Take a pencil and draw a pattern. Copy my steps. Don't press too hard with the pencil. Cut out the shapes along the lines you drew. Cut off the bottoms separately and the top separately. Do not cut along the edges of the snowman's mittens. This is important. Carefully open the paper. Now you have a beautiful Christmas decoration. You can stick it on a window or somewhere in your room. Let's make a different Christmas decoration. Just like before, fold the paper the same way. Use a pencil to draw a new pattern. Follow what I do. Cut the paper along the lines. Unfold the paper and see what a beautiful New Year decoration with little Christmas trees we've made. You can make many of these chains and attach them together on the sides using adhesive tape.